Hi, this is Yvette with VanDerBrinkAuctions, and we are here in Vermont. As you can see, pretty mountainous. We aren't in the prairie anymore. But anyway, we're going to start working on the Indian motorcycle horde today. And we have some guys here from Vermont and New York. And we're going to start in here, and we'll go in here.
What'd you do with your chain? Oh my God, you couldn't hear that?
This is one of the this is one of the buildings, and we have old Indians. There's also Harley stuff in here, and a lot of tanks, bikes. There's about 10-11 bikes in here, and we're going to start extricating this stuff and cataloging it today. And this is the parts building, and a lot. Whoops, sorry, Dave. And a lot of this stuff is, of course, original, but an enormous amount of parts. And we have 2 other locations with old Indians in them. We're going to be getting them out. And we'll also show you the chicken house Jenga situation. That's what we're calling it. And this auction is going to be August 14th. And you're going to want to go to the website VanDerBrinkAuctions.com. And you're going to have to be here for those parts because our internet and cell phone is sketchy, to say the least. And lots of unique stuff. We have antique tractors. We have cars, and we have gas engines and a lot of little parts, but we'll show you those. This is a Ward gas engine. Over there you'll see more tanks. We believe that to be a Henderson motor there. So there's more than just Indian in here, but primarily a lot of it is Indian. You'll see the fenders back there. Of course the hubcaps are car stuff, and there's a 32 Ford light bar there, but pretty amazing, and we're going to start getting them out. So again, August 14th, you're going to have to be here, and we will be shuttling for parking at this point, so make sure to be here early. Again, VanDerBrinkAuctions.com.